Recovering from trading losses. Trading losses are inevitable. However, recovery is a skill that can be learned. This presentation offers actionable strategies to bounce back stronger and transform setbacks into learning opportunities. Acknowledge and analyze the loss. Immediate action. Stop trading after a loss. Give yourself time to process emotions like fear and disappointment. Trade review. Objectively analyze the losing trades. What was the setup? Was the strategy followed? Document everything in a trading journal. Calculate the average loss per trade. Re-evaluate your trading plan. Strategy audit. Is your strategy still effective? Market conditions change. Backtest on recent data. Quantify performance. Risk tolerance. Are you taking on too much risk? Revisit your initial risk profile. Adjust accordingly. Capital allocation. Are you over-leveraged? Reduce position sizes to lower risk. Use the 1% rule. Rebuild confidence with smaller trades. Start small, high probability, mental reset. Reduce your trade size significantly. Focus on consistent small wins to rebuild confidence. View each trade as a learning experience. Implement strict risk management stop-loss orders. Use stop-loss orders on every trade to limit potential losses. Position sizing. Adjust position sizes based on risk and volatility. Diversification. Spread your capital across multiple uncorrelated assets. Trailing stops. Use trailing stops to protect profits. Seek support and education. Mentorship. Find an experienced trader for guidance. Community. Join a trading community to share ideas. Continuous learning. Stay updated on market trends. Long-term perspective and resilience. Resilience. Bounce back from losses. Trading marathon. It takes time, patience, and discipline. Improvement. Never stop learning and adapting. Every successful trader has experienced losses. Learn from them and keep moving forward.